In this video, we're going to take a look at this hologram LED fan, which is very cool advertising display for stores, restaurants, shopping malls, or any other display area. Stay tuned. Let's first start with unboxing. Packaging is very simple and straightforward. In the box you get 12-volt power adapter, metal mount for wall, screws for wall attachment, mini SD card reader, remote control, quick guide, the screw which locks the fan in a wall mount, and finally we have the hologram LED fan. This device is made from the hard plastic and the bottom is made from metal. It feels solid in a hand. To create holographic illusion, there are 224 LED diodes on the fan blade, which then motor spins and that create a holographic illusion. In the middle of the fan blade, there is a place for microSD card for your images or videos that you want to show. On both sides of the case, there are grills that I presume is for motor cooling, and on the back there is a power socket for 12-volt DC input. And now let's have a look on the software. On a microSD card there is a detailed English user guide which will tell you how to install the software and how to prepare images and videos. Software is very simple and easy to use. You can make your own do-it-yourself project using few tools, or you can write a text. You can input regular picture, GIF or videos. Just for a test, I import one of my intro videos. When you choose the start and end time, click on the start and wait video to render, which then you can preview and set the cycle times. When you finish it, save your project to SD card or on the computer. For demonstration, I attached the wall mount with some double-side tape on my desk. For a start, just plug the power supply and click on the upper bottom on the remote control. To be able to record this holographic image on the camera, I had to turn off my 500-watt studio lights because it was very bright, and I had to adjust my camera shutter speed to be able to record this, so keep in mind that it is very hard to show this holographic image on the camera. Spinning motion and refresh rate are visible, just like when you try to record TV or monitor screens. I did my best here to show the image as close as possible of what my eyes can see. When you look this hologram in a person, you only can see a clear image without any flickering or the spinning motion. Experience is very cool as you only see the hologram image, like images created in the middle of air. Awesome experience actually. For those who wonder how fast this fan blade is spinning, I test mine with a laser tachometer, and its spins are 2431 RPMs. So keep in mind that you mount this device out of reach of children's fingers. For those who wonder about the noise level, I measure it with my sound meter, and it's 67 decibel from approximately 50 cm from the fan, and 60 decibel from approximately 1 meter from the fan. So this device is not really made for libraries or some quiet places. And guys, there you have it. A cool looking hologram fan that will definitely make your store or shop more attractive to the customers. A link of this product you can find in a video description. Thanks for watching and I see you next time. Bye bye.